Here's 3 of the changes we made to the sleep earplugs after thousands of hours of testing them at night. Originally, Dom engineered them to be the most comfortable sleep earplugs for light sleepers, but you guys saw their potential beyond us and started using them to sleep through the snoring. Yet, you still wanted more noise reduction, so we refined the noise-canceling silicone. You wanted earplugs that you can wear all night without irritation? Done. And this year, we've added other improvements. Now your earplugs come with 8 ear tips, sizes extra small to large. Plus, we decided to slap on a buy one, get one free deal for this month. So now's the perfect time to upgrade your sleep and find a gift your partner will actually use. Grab both sets for half the price today.